In this lesson, we'll take a look at fast app switching, or what Apple calls multitasking. You already know the most common way to switch between apps. You find the app you want to start up and tap the icon for that app. Then to switch to another app, you touch the Home button, find the app that you'd like to start, in this case, let's say Keynote, tap the icon for Keynote, Keynote starts up. Then to switch back to Safari, you will need to tap the Home button, and then find the Safari icon again, and tap the Safari icon. Well, there's a much better way, and that's called fast app switching. To get to the fast app switcher, you double tap or double press the Home button twice in rapid succession. And when you do, what you'll see is a ribbon or a carousel of apps appear on the screen. You can swipe across these app screens from right to left or left to right. You're seeing apps that you've used recently, miniature representations of the app screens. You can switch to any of the apps by tapping. Let's see that again. Double tap to get to the fast app switcher, find the app you want to start up, and tap on the picture of the app. You can see why this is called fast app switching. It's much faster to switch between apps or multitask this way than the old way. Now, you may be thinking, aren't all those apps taking up space, burning up my battery? And the answer is no. The apps are suspended. This is simply a list of recently used apps, waiting in the background for you to return if you want to. And when you tap to return to one of these apps, you'll be taken not back to the splash screen or the opening screen, but in almost every case, back to exactly where you left the app. You can use this fast app switching ability to end misbehaving apps or simply to clean up your multitasking carousel. To end an app and remove it from the multitasking ribbon of apps, all you need to do is flick up. Let's see that one more time. Find the screen image of the app you want to end and flick up on that image. So if you encounter an app that seems to be stuck or misbehaving, try closing the app and then restarting it. You can close out two apps at once by putting a finger on two adjacent thumbnail screens and swiping up with both fingers. Instead of double pressing the Home button to get to this multitasking tray, you can use a multi-finger gesture, or what Apple calls a multitasking gesture. Place 4 fingers lightly on the screen and swipe up. Once again, use 4 fingers and swipe up the screen. Those same 4 fingers can also be used to swipe between recently used apps. So we place 4 fingers on the screen and we can swipe from right to left, or left to right. Here's another useful multi-finger gesture. You can return to a home screen of apps from any app with a 5-finger pinch. It doesn't matter what app you're using, a 5-finger pinch takes you back to the home screen. For these multitasking gestures to work, they need to be turned on in Settings. Look for General in the left column and scroll down to Multitasking Gestures in the right column.